Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen DS3. It's a 2017 model. So from any screen, we're on Nav at the moment, but if you go down to the buttons here, click Menu, and then we go to Telephone, then Options at the bottom right hand corner, then you've got Bluetooth connection, telephone options, Bluetooth connection, and it's just showing my phone there, and you can see there you've got search, connect or delete. We want delete, so click delete this device. Yes, that's it gone. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Citroen DS3. First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over to the system, you see DS has already come up. I'll just click the menu so we can see what's going on here. But click on DS. It's now thinking about it. The screen's changed. If you want to accept pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, check that the following code is displayed above: 050402, 05042, yeah, 402, yeah, pair, and also accept there. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't. I won't be using the car again, but you would, so you'd click yes. And that should be done. Let me see. I do have rather a lot paired here. Where's it gone? DS there, connected. One of the other good things with this system, which I'll just show you, is how to stream audio in this 2017 Citroen DS3. So if we now go to Tunes, here at the bottom you see this is iTunes. There's a red triangle with 3 red circles. If we click on that, you can see there's a tick next to it. So I'm going to turn this down, but whatever we play through this phone now with the tick next to DS will come through the speakers in the car if you're on the right setting. So I'll click play. It's playing. Now we have to go over to click menu, and you've got navigation, radio, media. We want radio media, and then we need source. Source is on the right hand side. Click source, and you've got FM radio, DAB radio, AM radio, and Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth. That's showing the tune that's playing on my phone here. So because this isn't very quick acting, this that looks like it's going to be very loud, so I'm going to use the volume control from my phone to turn this up. So that's how you stream audio. And if for any reason you can't get full volume on your system, it's not loud enough, just make sure your phone's turned up. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2017 Citroen DS3. So from any screen, you've got the menu button down here. Not immediately obvious, but click the menu button, get ready to turn the radio down, because normally it comes on when you change screen. Too slow, snooze you lose. Click on navigation, and then you've got the screen there. Not immediately obvious what you've got to do next, but you've got options down here in the left hand corner. Click options, then you've got enter destination, search for points of interest, traffic management. We want enter destination. All previous destinations or previous entries in the Sat Nav, but you've got address here, so click address, and then we want postcode. Now we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatleydale, Preston, PR 5 4 JS, and you've got an arrow in the corner. So we click the arrow, then it's changed to like a destination flag or a finish flag. Click the finish flag, and then it gives you the option fastest, shortest. So we'll leave fastest and click arrow again. Navigation system is an electronic aid. It's not a substitute for the driver's assessment of a situation. All navigation, blah blah blah. Click OK. It's showing me the directions, giving me a display there, turn left in 300 yards.
200 yards, turn left, then turn right.
There you go, you should be able to turn the volume up while the voice is playing using the controls on the right there. So that's it, that's how you do it. The other great thing with the system in this 2017 Citroen DS3 is it has Apple CarPlay. So if you've got your charging lead and you plug it into the bottom socket, the USB into the bottom socket, and then into your iPhone, sadly some stupid design means that whatever's playing on your phone always starts off playing on the system when you plug it in, but it'll either come up straight away, do you want Apple CarPlay, or because I've already had it going, it thinks it's still playing and I don't have to do anything. But if I go down to menu, click menu, and then you've got connected services here. So if I click connected services, you've got Apple CarPlay, click Apple CarPlay, and then it's come on. But normally, if you just got in the car and you hadn't used it already, you plug the lead in and it'll come on. And so there. So my phone's here, and you want to use the Sat Nav rather than programming it like we did before. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Waltley Dale, Preston.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
As I say, the radio keeps coming on, which is really annoying.
To Grosvenor Garage.
But that's it.
Head southwest on Pewdale Lane.
So when you're driving, as long as your phone's plugged in, you can just ask you can be doing 70 on the motorway, and program your Sat Nav without fear of getting arrested or pulled over. It's just that simple. So again, hey Siri, play music.
Okay.
So there you go. So it's actually better just having your phone plugged in. You don't have to touch anything, don't have to program anything. It's a brilliant system.